Solving system of linear equations by graphing. So over here we see this system of equation. This system consists of two lines, this line here and this line here. So on the plane we are going to see in the end two lines, and the solution here will be a point, and this point is where these two lines will meet. To graph lines in math, we use many methods. To graph these two lines, I will use rise over 1 method and intercepts. There is no problem in using rise over 1 to graph these two lines or intercepts to graph these two lines. There is no problem. I'm going to use different methods here only for us to remember, only for us to have in mind these two methods, a kind of review. So let's see now. I will use intercepts to graph this first line. And then I will use rise over 1 to graph the second line. So first intercepts. The line is this one here, 2x plus 3y equals 12. So recall that x-intercept is any point where y is 0. So all x-intercept are points where y is 0. The y coordinate is 0. So let me replace in this equation y by 0. We get 2x plus 3 times 0 equals 12. 3 times 0 because y is 0. Now I have 2x equals 12. 3 times 0 disappears because 3 times 0 is nothing. And dividing these two sides here by 2, x is going to be 6. So the first point is 6 and 0. So the x-intercept is 6 and 0. Now we need to get y-intercept. The equation is the same, the line is the same, 2x plus 3y equals 12. Y-intercept is where x is 0 and y is a number. Replacing x by 0, we get 2 times 0 plus 3y equals 12. 2 times 0 is nothing. 3y equals 12. Dividing these two sides by 3y is going to be 4. So the point here is 0 and 4. 0 and 4. This point over here, 0 and 4. Now we need to get a ruler, and very carefully we need to graph, or we need to connect these 2 points. Now it's time to graph this second line here. I'm going to call this line here the blue line, and for this I will use rise over 1 method. So the line is 2x minus y equals 4. To graph a line using rise over 1 method, the line must be written in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. This equation over here is not written in slope-intercept form, it's written in standard form. So I will rewrite it. So in order to get y by itself, I will subtract 2x from this side and 2x from this side. Now I get negative y equals negative 2x plus 4. And to get y positive, because y must be positive, I will I will multiply all these terms by -1. So y equals 2x minus 4. Now this number here is the slope, and this number here is the y-intercept. The slope is 2/1, and the y-intercept is -4. So -4 y-intercept. Now I will go up 2 units, and I will go right 1 unit, because these two numbers are positive. So y/1 going up 2 units, 1, 2, and going over 1 unit, the second point is here. Now, using a ruler, I will connect these 2 points. As we can see, these 2 lines, the black line and blue line, they cross, they intersect over here. And the location of this point, this red point here, is x equals 3 and y equals 2. So the solution of this system of linear equation will be a point, and a point is 3 and 2. A point where the x coordinate is 3 and the y coordinate is 2. So this solution here, this point here is the solution to this system of linear equations.